Thank you for your interest in building a better team so that you can get the best help possible to help you with bipolar disorder. That document is on its way, so if you can give it about 10 minutes, you should find it in your inbox, but if it's not there, please check your spam folder to make sure it didn't get moved there. My name is Tom Wootton, and I invented the Bipolar Advantage concept and programs about 15 years ago. Since then, we've had over 10,000 people go through our programs, what we call Bipolar in Order. It's an online program that has produced better results than anyone else in the world. That program includes videos, reading assignments, exercises that you can do to make it a reality in your life, the support to make that happen through all-time chat where you can have discussions with other people and myself whenever you need, and also online video meetings where we can help you make this happen. So all of that is kind of like a gym membership, where we help you do the exercises and put these things into practice and give you the support you need to make it real. Well, as an introduction to that, I want to offer you one of the courses, and that's one about building that team together. And it's usually $29.95, but to give you an idea of what we're doing, I'm offering it now for only $2.99. So the idea is you take that course, you find out how great the programs are we have, and you join as a member, and over time I help you create the life that you deserve. So thanks for considering this. I hope to see you soon in one of the live sessions, and please give this a chance because you deserve the outcomes that other people have gotten from this. Thanks again.